what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. My name is Dylan, and yeah, together with Greg Wave, Jacob Letman, and a couple of other drivers, we have over 20 drivers on this channel. And basically, yeah, we all run this together. So this is my day of the week to post this video, but today I wanted to basically update you all with what's going on in rideshare. There is so many big changes that I need to update you about. I'm gonna get into the 2-phone Lyft driver trick, where basically you're gonna use 2 phones and it's gonna help you make a lot more money. I personally use this trick. I'm gonna show you guys just how it works and how it doesn't work too. So I do have 2 phones on me, and yeah, I definitely have 2 phones. There's a reason why I use 2 phones, and I'm gonna get into that. But first, I need to update you guys with some very important information. There's some huge information that I know a lot of you guys are like, Dylan, what is it? What is it, Dylan? What's it gonna be? What's going on? Okay, there are a few things on the agenda that I need to tell you about. Number 1, we just started a partnership with HyreCar. So that's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be coming out with new videos on that. So stay tuned. I did already add a link down below. They are giving you guys a special deal. Basically, when you rent a car, HyreCar is a rental car company that rents cars out to Uber and Lyft drivers and delivery drivers and stuff. They're really awesome actually. And they actually are a publicly traded company, which I didn't even know about. But basically they're waiving the background check fee, which is like $25 or something. So you get that for free when you use our link and code. So I'll just leave that in the description, but obviously I'm gonna make more videos on HyreCar, specifically on the benefits of renting a car versus owning, because I'm very strongly opinionated on that, and there's so much to talk about, which I'll just leave it for the next video where you guys can do it. But basically, renting a car can be super beneficial in so many ways. Why? Because you're not using your own car, you're not putting miles on your own car or asset, and number 2, you are not, you're not paying obviously for depreciation and maintenance. The owner of the car is basically taking a cut on that, and all you have to do is pay for gas and the cost of the car rental. But if you're only driving part-time, basically, I'll get into that in a later video. The second one is Play Octopus. Play Octopus is launching in several more markets. If you don't know what Play Octopus is, they're a tablet company that puts on the back of headrests. I think when I first started making videos about them, they were only in like 10 markets or something. But now they're growing, and literally like every other week they're launching a new market. So definitely check that out. If they're not in your market yet, I just actually talked with one of the guys on Instagram DMs, because my Uber driver the other day was using Play Octopus, and I posted on my story, and one of the guys at Play Octopus reached out, and what did he say? He said, yeah, opening up more markets every month. That's literally what he said. I don't wanna, well, shout out to Mr. Clean Money. I'll just say it. He said they're working hard, they're grinding, and they're opening up more markets every month. So stay on the lookout for that. Drivers make up to $100 extra per month with that. It's definitely worth it. I use Play Octopus, they're legit. The third one is Cargo. Cargo Snack Box is no longer Cargo Snack Box. They are changing, and now they're doing advertising on the top of the roof. If you go in my description, you'll notice there's no more links to Cargo. I used to have an affiliate with them. They would pay me, I don't know, like, what was it, $10 or something for every driver who signed up with my code. It wasn't very much money. I honestly forget what it was. I didn't even look at it. But I don't have that in there anymore, because now they're on top of the car. I'm gonna try to meet with them and make a video for you guys going over it, because this is super new. And if you guys didn't know, Cargo is an Uber affiliated program. So they have a direct partnership with Uber. So I'm gonna try to meet with them. Obviously I am here in Los Angeles, and I'm pretty sure they have an office here in LA somewhere. So I need to reach out to them. That's on my to-do list. But yeah, Cargo is no longer a snack box. They are now doing on top of car advertising. What else? The next one. Oh yeah, Gig Mobile. I don't know if you guys know, but I used to shout out Gig Mobile all the time. I actually used to use Gig Mobile, but they are no longer, I don't want to say too much, but well, basically it's fine. Basically, they are no longer doing phone service plans. A lot of drivers, basically what happened was a lot of I'll just spill the tea. A lot of drivers are people who ordered the Gig Mobile phones, didn't make their payments, and yes, Gig Mobile was a really small startup company. I don't know if I'm supposed to spill these details, but I thought I owed it to you guys because I used to shout them out in tons of videos, and they actually sponsored the car giveaway video that I did. So yeah, I feel like I owe it to you guys because I actually used Gig Mobile, but now I use Verizon. So yeah, Gig Mobile link is also not in the description anymore. Sorry, there's just a lot of things to update you guys with. But yeah, so now I'm gonna get into the video on the 2-phone Uber trick, or the 2-phone Lyft driver trick. So basically I have an iPhone 11 Pro. This is with 3 cameras, ultra wide phone screen, it's completely, and then I just have my old iPhone 7 that I use. Still a decent phone, the iPhone 7. Honestly, I can't even tell that big of a difference between the cameras. They seem pretty much the same to me. The only big difference is the phone screen size. This one's a lot smaller than this one. And this one's a lot heavier too. So, I don't know. The cons on this one is that it's just a lot heavier and it's a lot bigger. I don't really like a big phone, so the iPhone 11 Pro, to me, doesn't really live up to the hype. It's whatever, it's an okay phone. And it does cost a lot of money. That's another con as well. But basically by the way guys, you can get 2 phones for this. It's really easy if you have 2 phones, but if you only have 1 phone, that's fine too. All the trick is, here, I'm gonna show it. So basically you open up your Lyft driver app. I don't wanna show you guys exactly where I am in LA because I know you guys will probably stalk me. But yeah, basically you open up your Lyft driver phone, go on your Lyft driver app, right? You guys probably are Lyft drivers, so if you have your Lyft driver app on, you can go see exactly where you are, and you can go online too. Here, I'll just go online. I don't want to show you guys my location exactly, but yeah, look, you're online, right? Cool beans. You know, you're waiting for a ping, whatever. But at the same time, what happens when you're not getting rides? Do you want to sit and wait? Usually I say sit and wait for the next ride to come. But if you're in the middle of nowhere, this is a really easy thing to do. Go on your Lyft passenger app, this one, the Lyft passenger app, here, and a little cool trick. The problem is, I don't want to show you exactly where I guys am, but what you can do, here, I'm gonna zoom out so you can't see my location. But essentially, you can see where cars are, driver cars are. So what you wanna do is, like, basically the way Lyft works is that they'll pair you with passengers based on your location. So do you want to sit right there where there's 2 cars? No, you're probably going to want to go up here or in an area where there's not a lot of drivers. This works especially well in suburbs and smaller towns. I know in my town, well, the town that I'm from, that I started driving rideshare in, literally, like, I would go on the passenger app and see maybe 3 cars in my whole town. And very easily I could say, oh, let me drive this way because there are literally no cars here. And I will always get a ride. We live in a big city and, you know, there's cars just going it's a little bit harder, right? Obviously. So this does not work if you're in a huge city. But if you're in an area that's not as crowded, it definitely works as well. I want to see if I can actually go to my hometown just so I can show you guys what it looks like, because, well, basically I'll just explain it to you. In my hometown, it's like one long, I live in a beach town, right? It's like, I'm not gonna say where, cause, you know, whatever. Basically, it's a long beach town, and there's like a road that goes all across, and like, then there's houses up here, inland, and then there's houses on the beach, obviously. But like, I lived like pretty much on like the south part of the town, right? So when I log on, usually, people don't come in my area. They're staying over here on this side. So I almost would always get a ride. So what I would always do, and I do encourage this as well, is your first ride, but you want to always have fill up gas the night before, and then also you know, make sure your tires are all filled up the night before and whatever. So when you start in the morning or whenever you start, just go online while you're at home. And that way you get your first ride, you don't have to drive around looking for your first ride. That saves you a lot of miles too on your car over time. But yeah, so, but if I'm in a crowded area and I see, oh my gosh, there's literally 10 cars around me, I'm not gonna get a ride for another 30 minutes. I'll just drive, you know, back towards my house. And if I don't get a ride, literally just go home, chill, and sit on the computer, whatever. I used to do that a lot. I would just go home a lot and just chill. And I'm like, guys, I'm getting paid to just sit at home. We're not really getting paid, but like, you know what I mean? It's better than just sitting in your car waiting for a ride. So basically, the reason why you want to have 2 phones is if you have 2 phones, you can go on the Lyft driver app and the Lyft passenger app at the same time, and you can keep track of where cars are all the time. You don't have to keep switching, because I hate using my phone, and especially you're not allowed to use your phone while you drive. So the legal way to do this is get 2 phones, but I don't know, if you want to pull over and look up, you know, or go into a safe parking lot and do that, you totally can just on 1 phone. You don't need 2 phones to do this. So make sure you get the Lyft passenger app too, and take some rides too as a passenger. I've actually learned that me taking rides as a passenger has helped me make a lot more money as a driver, especially in tips, because I know that the journey to giving somebody a ride when you're a driver is just, you just pull up and they're there. But for a passenger, it starts when they're at dinner. It starts when they're sitting on their couch, watching whatever, you know, even watching naughty stuff. They go, oh, I need to order Uber. I'm gonna just watch my favorite adult flick while I wait. You know what I mean? It's like the journey could literally start while someone's on the treadmill and they need a ride, and they're just waiting for you. So it's like, I know that I just came from the gym and I ordered a ride back because I just don't like driving to my gym. I don't know, it's a weird situation, but and the rides are only like $4 each, so sometimes less than $2 for a ride because I have promos. So yeah, a lot of times like I'll order a ride while I'm still on the treadmill because I know exactly when he's there. I just run out really quick, you know what I mean? Or I can see when he's like, because obviously if it's like a 10-minute away, I'm not gonna go stand outside for 10 minutes. I could get literally at 10, I could burn 50, 100 calories in 10 minutes on the Stairmaster. So anyways guys, that's the 2-phone Lyft driver trick. I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos about Uber and Lyft and how to make more money. Yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will give you guys updates soon. And yeah, tomorrow's video should definitely be Greg Wave, and then I think Jacob Lettman's coming up soon. So stay tuned for all the new people on the channel. Give them support and love. I know you guys do like me the most. No, I'm just kidding. Those guys are really good too. I think Greg Wave is the most liked driver on this channel. So he's pretty much taking over the channel at this point. I'm just kind of, you know, doing my thing on the side. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.